Developing news tonight, a Charleston County deputy who was critically injured in a crash on the Don Holt Bridge 2 years ago has filed a medical malpractice lawsuit against the Medical University of South Carolina. News 2's Lexi Moore heard from the attorney representing Deputy Mike Costanzo on why they are requesting a jury trial.
Attorney Ben Joyce says the hospital was negligent in caring for Costanzo after he fell off his hospital bed 2 weeks into his stay and suffered multiple injuries. July 1st, 2020, Deputy Mike Costanzo was assisting a disabled vehicle on the Don Holt Bridge when the driver of a pickup truck crashed into him and a tow truck driver who also stopped to help. Costanzo was pinned between his cruiser and the bridge, and the tow truck driver was killed after being knocked over the side of the bridge. Costanzo suffered a severe traumatic brain injury, polytrauma, and multiple fractures. He was taken over to MUSC for care, and that's when Joyce says things went downhill.
The medical professionals attending to Mike at the time just failed to maintain his safety.
Costanzo's injuries made him a high fall risk and required restraints be placed on him while he was in bed. 2 weeks into his stay, Costanzo fell off the bed, adding onto the list of his injuries.
He suffered a severe right shoulder and right arm injury, and there's also some evidence that his head was impacted as well.
Joyce cited improper restraints as the reason for the fall, which Joyce said prolonged Costanzo's already difficult recovery.
He's had 2 and will be having a 3rd.
Now Costanzo is suing the hospital for damages and is hoping for a favorable result in the case, which Joyce believes is clear-cut.
There was a breach of the standard of care and a failure to maintain his safety.
News 2 reached out to MUSC for a comment. However, they say they cannot comment on a pending litigation for legal reasons. Reporting in downtown Charleston, I'm Lexi Moore. Count on 2.
Next.